Well, today I was sitting here looking at this fireplace, and I've come to the conclusion that I've definitely got to do a lot of metal work to this. I didn't realize that there is really no supports left coming down to the base of this. I decided to take some of the insulation out and stuff and take a look and see what all was supporting it, and I noticed there's nothing. The only thing that's supporting it is just that steel grid, and right now I've knocked most of the concrete or mortar off of the outside of it so that I can so I can mount brackets and install the stone load. I don't know what it's called, lodestone or whatever it's called. But yeah, the only thing supporting this whole thing is just that steel grating and a thin layer of concrete. So, like I say, I've come to the conclusion that, just knock the brick over. Yeah, I've come to the conclusion that before I go any further with this project, I'm going to have to reinforce the inside of this. And it'll be a lot easier to do that now as opposed to after I have all the have this door on here and stuff. So right now it's just held on by a few screws, just kind of temporary holding it there. So yeah, I think I'm going to remove the door and work on just the steel work on the inside and go from there. I had ordered some fire brick, and I also ordered some more insulation, so that's coming. But for now, I think I'll just work on doing the steel work around the inside and supporting all this. Well, actually all this is going to be coming out, and it's all going to be actually the top of it's still good. So this is kind of the only thing I'm keeping, because this is still in good shape, and I might put a patch across here, and that's about it. But you can see there's a bunch of holes in this, so I'm not going to disturb it anymore before I have it so it's supported a lot better. But it's straight as an arrow, so I have to support it now. Actually, I was thinking about it today, and when I was down at the Restore there, I bought these here. My idea is to put these in here for supports, and then I'll just weld to these across and in. So there was 4 of them there, so I bought 4. They look like they're for a table or something. It doesn't matter what they're for. I know what I'm going to use them for.